Hello YouTube, this is 1219 Killer or Taylor. Today I'll be showcasing a little fun blast firework kit. Okay, let's get into it. I got this at Walmart for $10, a retail value of $33, so it ain't bad. Sorry my cam's a little laggy, I'm using my webcam today. Okay, top right we have, it's the brand TNT, so it's a firework brand. We have some solar flares. Little nice. And we got some flashing fountains. Go ahead and get a split real fast before I can do this. Okay. And then we got two June bugs. Let me get the other one out. Another June bug. I will be showcasing airsoft guns, but around Christmas time, I'm getting a package in. It's on back order. Use my handy dandy fighting knife. It's nice, it's old, you see a little thing there. Had for about 2 years now, so yeah. A diamond cutter. Don't know what this is, probably like a little fountain thing. Got butterfly and flowers. Wonder what that'll do. We have lightning flash, bright flashing strobe effect, southern night, more flashing fountains, more flashing fountains. Wow, got a lot in here. More flashing fountains, rainbow trout, and pyro flame fan. Okay, YouTube. That was my kit. I got it for $10, like I said earlier in the video. Celebrate safety. Safety, 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 safety. Always use safety using fireworks. When you buy it, you get TNT Club, free stuff. Yeah, you get a collectible poster and stuff. Okay, YouTube, subscribe, comment, like the video if you liked it. It's my first video, so don't make fun of me. I've had this YouTube for a while now, but haven't been doing much. Okay. Subscribe. Bye.